Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food mills that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're preparing fresh tomato sauce, silky mashed potatoes, or baby food, these food mills offer versatility and performance to elevate your kitchen game. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Gemfino stainless steel food mill with blue spoon. This model stands out with its durable stainless steel construction and mirror-polished surface, giving it a sleek, professional look. It features 3 milling discs that allow you to achieve the perfect texture for mashed potatoes, tomato sauce, or jams, while simultaneously filtering out seeds. The ergonomic silicone-covered handle and crank are designed for comfort and non-slip performance, allowing you to work steadily and efficiently. Plus, it includes a multifunctional spoon, funnel, and measuring spoon, perfect for canning and versatile food prep. In terms of performance, users report that the upgraded blade design improves grinding efficiency, ensuring faster results. The dual hook design provides excellent stability when placed over bowls, reducing tipping or slipping. Dishwasher-safe construction makes cleanup easy, and the handle even has a round hole for hanging storage, ideal for saving space in tight kitchens. However, some users noted that the silicone covering could wear down over time with heavy use, and the product's weight may feel slightly bulky for smaller tasks. Overall, this food mill is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, multi-purpose kitchen tool. While it doesn't have the premium features of higher-ranked options, it's a sturdy and functional mill that delivers good value for medium-levy tasks, ideal for casual home cooks and canning enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the upgraded 4-disc stainless steel food mill by the Hungry Artisan. This newer model takes versatility to the next level with 4 interchangeable discs: fine, medium, coarse, and extra fine, allowing you to customize textures for everything from baby food to rustic mashed potatoes. The stainless steel build resists rust and wear, even with hot ingredients, while doubling as a colander or vegetable steamer. Its ergonomic spring-loaded crank makes milling effortless, even for dense or hot batches like stewed tomatoes or root vegetables. Performance-wise, the double-welded hooks ensure stability on bowls and pots of all sizes, preventing spills and tipping as you work. The compact design is a bonus for those who want a high-performing mill without sacrificing kitchen space. It's easy to assemble, disassemble, and store. However, this model is slightly heavier than others, which might not appeal to users seeking lightweight tools. It's also positioned as a higher-end option, so budget-conscious buyers may want to consider alternatives. If you're serious about food prep and love experimenting with textures, this food mill is an excellent choice. It's perfect for home chefs, homesteaders, or anyone who frequently makes jams, sauces, or preserves. Its premium features and thoughtful design earn it a well-deserved spot in our countdown. Sliding into number 3 is the Gemfino stainless steel food mill with orange spoon. This food mill is designed with high-quality, food-grade stainless steel for durability and a polished finish that looks great in any kitchen. It includes 3 interchangeable discs for grinding various foods, making it versatile for tasks like preparing mashed potatoes, pureeing fruits, or straining seeds from berries. The silicone-covered handle and crank offer a comfortable, non-slip grip, while the dual hook design ensures stability on bowls and pots. One standout feature is the upgraded blade system, which improves grinding efficiency by covering more surface area with each turn. Additionally, the included multifunctional spoon helps push food through the filter faster and scrape the bottom of the pan. This model is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, and it's easy to store thanks to its compact design. However, some users reported that the silicone handle could become less effective over time, especially with frequent use. Overall, this food mill is perfect for home cooks who value efficiency and a streamlined design. While it's not the most advanced model on our list, its practical features and reliable performance make it a great mid-tier option for everyday kitchen tasks. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Food Mill. Known for its sleek design and user-friendly features, this mill boasts a stainless steel bowl that's resistant to staining and perfect for hot foods. It includes 3 grinding discs for preparing fine, medium, or coarse textures, and the spring-loaded lever makes swapping discs easy. The 3 non-slip legs fold for storage and provide excellent stability over bowls and pots up to 11 inches in diameter. In terms of performance, the OXO food mill delivers smooth, efficient milling for everything from tomato sauce to applesauce. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, while its 2.3-quart capacity makes it great for small to medium-sized batches. Dishwasher compatibility adds convenience. But the larger size may be a drawback for those with limited storage space. At $47.70, it's priced competitively and backed by OXO's satisfaction guarantee, which is reassuring for buyers. This food mill is ideal for anyone seeking a simple, reliable tool for everyday cooking. Its thoughtful design and dependable performance make it a standout option, especially for those who prioritize ease of use and durability. Finally, at number 1, we have the ergonomic food mill stainless steel by the Hungry Artisan. This model is the ultimate kitchen tool, combining premium craftsmanship and thoughtful design to deliver top-tier performance. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it resists rust, warping, and wear, even with hot foods. Its 3 interchangeable grinding discs, fine, medium, coarse, offer complete control over texture, making it perfect for everything from silky mashed potatoes to seedless berry purees. The ergonomic handle with a spring-loaded lever ensures effortless turning, saving you time and energy during food prep. The double-welded hooks provide excellent stability on bowls and pots, while the compact design makes storage easy. Bonus points for the included e-recipe book, which is packed with creative ideas to help you make the most of your food mill. Users rave about its performance, noting how smoothly it processes hot ingredients and how easy it is to clean. One minor downside is the lack of a dishwasher-safe option, but the mill disassembles quickly for manual cleaning. This food mill is perfect for home chefs who demand versatility and durability in their kitchen tools. Whether you're canning, making baby food, or preparing dinner, this model delivers precise results every time. Its top-notch features, excellent user reviews, and thoughtful design earn it the number 1 spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.